Boom shakalaka. Today's video, we are taking a look at a lot of charts, why 2023 is gearing up to be the best year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at why 2023 is gearing up to be an enormous year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. Now, the Fear and Greed Index website is down for me today, so we won't be taking a look at that. But if we take a look, the overall market sideways today, Bitcoin at $17,000, Ethereum at $12.59, BNB at $2.90, XRP 39 cents, Dogecoin 10 cents, Cardano 32 cents, and Polygon 91 cents. And if we take a look at Bitcoin, right now sitting above this orange line, the 20-day moving average, and we are within this larger structure, this descending wedge, generally a bullish pattern. Now, right now, each time we have broken through this orange line previously, we've gone up roughly 18%. So that would lead us to this big bullseye right here, right underneath previous all-time highs, $20,000. Now, this market stinks. We'll just be plain honest. It stinks. It is actually the worst annual returns for the 60/40 portfolio in over 100 years. If you're still in the market, pat yourself on the back. But it does look like things are potentially turning around. If we take a look at the daily national average gasoline prices for regular unleaded, just fell to levels where it was the day Russia invaded Ukraine at the beginning of, or right around March of 2022. So, that being said, could inflation be turning around? Certainly sounds that way, especially after what the Fed is talking about recently. Turns out that stocks do pretty well after inflation peaks. Now, this black line right here is the inflation peak. Stocks actually anticipate the peak of inflation by about a month. But after that, almost near rocket for stocks. And if the stocks are going to do it, we know Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to do it as well. But we do have one debacle in the market, a black swan, a white swan, whatever you want to call it. Well, after the FTX debacle, insane market crash, miners right now have been selling enormously. Bitcoin miners have been selling relatively aggressively. Combining the hash rate decline and today's hash ribbon bearish cross, this indicates indeed a period of miner capitulation. And this will last for a while until the unprofitable miners capitulate and the difficulty of mining decreases, and then eventually miners get profitable. But until that happens, well, it could impact price. However, if we take a look at the exchange inflow monitor, solid inflows of stablecoins into exchanges the last 3 weeks in the wake of the FTX collapse, suggesting the sell-off is being absorbed by spot buyers, not speculators. Spot buyers is great because these are guys who hold it for long term until the price goes up. They're not going hundo X long or hundo X short based on today's news. Not only that, but if we take a look at a longer term trend, noticing that the DXY and also USDT dominance are inversely correlated with the crypto total market cap, therefore Bitcoin prices and cryptocurrency prices. Generally what happens is we have one peak in DXY, a double top in USDT dominance, followed by a bullish bull run, we'll call it a bullish bull run, in total crypto market dominance. Now, this happened previously back in early 2020. There was also a bearish divergence with the RSI. We have it happening once again right now, suggesting as DXY goes down, as USDT dominance goes down, we could see a resurgence in the total crypto market cap. Not only that, but there's also an OBV divergence. Now, historically, OBV, on balance volume, is something that leads Bitcoin price. This is one of the few leading indicators we have for Bitcoin price. As it goes up, generally Bitcoin price tends to go up to catch up for it. It doesn't like these big areas, these big green spaces here. OBV goes up first, Bitcoin price goes up second. Well, take a look at this. OBV already starting to take off from Bitcoin price. Likely, Bitcoin price will soon catch up because that time of the year is here once again. Not Christmas, but the halving rally. Historically, if we take a look, the rally has started 14 to 18 months pre-halving. It was 14 months back in 2013. It was 18 months back in 2016, and it was 17 months in 2020. Now, that being said, on average, we're right now about 16 bars, which is pretty much on average where it should be occurring. If not now, at least within the next couple months, we should see that rally start to begin, which could send the prices much higher. Because if we take a look, if we pan out a little bit, there's an absolutely massive super cycle gearing up. Pretty much repeating, same thing that we had previously in altcoins and Bitcoin dominance, also in DXY, and also in Bitcoin Litecoin ratio. Now, basically what happens here is we have the top in altcoins. Price comes down, dips, comes above the previous top, finds support there before rocketing to new levels. We have the same thing happening once again. We are finding support at previous top for altcoins before rocketing off. But what causes that rocketing off? Well, first off, there's Bitcoin decrease in Bitcoin dominance after it has found a bit of a floor. And we could see that happening. Bitcoin has found a floor recently. Could we see the bottom drop out in Bitcoin dominance? Definitely, because we know that Bitcoin and altcoins from the previous chart are inversely correlated to DXY. As DXY breaks through this parabolic run-up, well, it sends altcoins as well. And we just had it breaking to the downside of this parabolic run. Well, likely altcoins will be taking off next. Not only that, but Litecoin has been a coin that generally precedes Bitcoin and altcoin bull runs. Once we see it breaking out of the descending wedge that it's in, Litecoin breaks out and then altcoins go afterwards. Well, we see right here, Litecoin breaking out just recently. Next would be altcoins. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.